Gang, what up, gang?
Yo, ça va fait.
Can't call it family.
Ça game, ça va bailler nous back là.
We back at it, man. What's really hood?
On s'allie déjà, ce côté là.
Et Kai Cenat lié.
Kai, je veux dire.
Kai gan pile vibe d'ailleurs, man. Nous pas de pull up sur les top 10, open.
Allez, nous venons avec qui, je veux dire.
We venons avec the Dogg father, Snoop Double Jizo. Monsieur gon valise là, man. Nous connaissons le pot là déjà, man.
On connaît ça déjà, monsieur t'es participé dans Mafiathon Dega, monsieur participé dans Mafiathon 3.
Non, déjà bien monsieur de Snoop.
Bah non, c'est pas Mafiathon 3.
Yeah, c'est Dega, non Dega.
Parce que t'as un Mafiathon qui t'est fait déjà. Ça nous après ça et nous t'ai fait tout dernièrement avec les coups d'acla était des Mafiathon Dega.
Ok, I'm with it. Et Kai Cenat dit dernier Mafiathon tu vois, man.
Dernier.
Et ça dit.
Bye, ça a filé aller.
Bon, monsieur dit dernier, man. Là, après, on l'autre bagaille, man. Là, même, là, ballon l'autre, non, man. Ah, bon. Faut bailler, on comprend? Faut que tout be continue, man. C'est pas tout le temps pour coller Bouddha, même bas là, toute la 5 journée, man. So, on va changer vibe là pour mon yo. En tout cas, nous avons encore Snoop, tonton Snoop qui pull up dans le cas là. Il a une belle valise bleue dans le mail. Nous déjà qu'on qui marchandise là-dedans.
This my real life uncle, chat.
This my real life uncle, chat. Yo, ça y est, uncle pour tout bon. Ça y est, tonton pour tout bon. Snoop semble tonton. Snoop semble tonton, oui.
Long
C'est long, oui.
He come like this every time, man.
Hey yo, on est à monsieur n'a fait bruit, man. Non, seule fois, man. Hey. Prends ça, nous pouvons parler. Moi, j'aime Snoop, man. Vous ça, moi, j'aime Snoop. Snoop n'a mis tout petit jeune, man.
Bien consolé.
Snoop don't give up. Snoop, well, get a good buzzy, man. God damn it. Snoop.
Nephew.
This is what I say, right? When I was young, I used to have some of my favorite uncles, and they would always come by and they'd be like, hey, come outside in the back.
Hey, yo, man, Kai, you know what I'm saying? When I was young, I used to have all of my favorite uncles, man. And they used to get together. And then they call me and make me act. And them des petits moun baz, comme ça t'est passé, on peut me dire un pile tonton men. Et les gars just chita dans chambre les man et puis yo fait des petits plaisirs pour yo. Carré ça stop. Parce que on a aimé plaisir, mais c'est un petit bout qui t'aime bail plaisir.
Yeah.
Yo.
Don't tell your mom. And they would show me so much, give me so much game, put money in my pocket, teach me how.
They use show me so much game, you know, put money in my pocket, you know. Et pendant ce temps, tout nèg était toujours parler avec bel conseil, you te compte bam comme tout, you know what I'm saying?
Be a real player, just give me information with it. So I become that now. Like it's like my job to stay in tune with my nephew, especially when.
So, you know, I become that now, man. So, peut-être ça m'a venu comme ça, man. So, my job is to stay in tune with my nephews. So, travail qui me senti, moi là pour me faire qu'on y a là, c'est pour me connaître ça qu'a fait la nouvelle génération. On comprend? À ti jouer mieux, à ti neve mieux. On est le tonton, tout le monde est le tonton. So, on comprend à ti neve mieux, man.
y'all fucking it up and doing a great job.
Let me tell you something, chat.
Yo, y'all fucking it up, man. Y'all doing a great job right now, man. Snoop DA. Internet là, n'a pas crasé là, monsieur, n'a fait un bon travail pour les moments, man. Snoop reconnaît ça. Et W for Kai, man. You know what I mean?
Snoop literally texts me, calls me, and like literally very often, chat. I swear to you.
Yo, chat, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Snoop literally just call me, text me, man, very often, man. Et chat, on t'y bat qui nous bat connaît. Snoop pas dans tintin, man. Snoop toujours relève texte moi. Petit texte pour moi. Souvent. Snoop pas la game même. You know what I mean?
D'accord.
Get on my channel, let me see something, man.
I swear to you.
Yeah, I be watching, nigga. You was running.
Bro, he always call me, talk about like everything.
Yeah, man. Snoop always call me, man. You know, everything, man. Snoop toujours relève mon conseiller. Tout bagay net, man. Snoop toujours checker sur moi, man.
Everything. That's why I appreciate you, bro. Everything.
Yeah, let me show you.
Hey Snoop, that's why I appreciate you, man. C'est peut-être ça m'apprécie comme ça, Snoop. Parce qu'on parle la game base, you know. Toujours à checker sur moi, man. You know what I mean?
I'm still hot, right? He called me saying, yo, nephew, I need some more of that tone. That motherfucker good.
Laisse ça Snoop pote, man. Got un bocal, man. Cause Punga, you know Punga got
Punga la li ka kipi ya.
Yo, Punga la red bas, you know. Punga te de Snoop tap nan ka la men. Punga di bet prezant mwen men.
Oh my! And he got the tone. You see? He got the tone in the bag.
You should be up. Come on.
And then he got the tone in the bag. Snoop pa sel son tonton li pou mwen, men Snoop support him too men. Gade men gen produm ni. Produm lap servi aven. Mafia Snoop mafia. Snoop mafia ton nan valizi men. Yo.
That's Pastor Princess. I remember Pastor Princess.
That thing smells so good. It's so fruity and delicious.
Man, that thing smells so good, so fruity and delicious. So I pale la men. Bagay ou men, si telman senti bon men. Si senti bon fruit men. Anpwen? Pas tap kite l de, manti reklam la bala.
But this is my thing right here though.
This is my thing right here though. Men on lot ton anko, produit kay Cenat la. Oh yeah.
Ton nan ye.
Snoop ap prale ou la. Oh, sa yi deodora ansamble. Yeah, deodora. Damn it.
This is my real life uncle.
Fuck you,
Delicious. But this is my thing right here though.
He don't play by that tone. He don't play by that tone.
Hey, he got that color coordination.
Paint, all that color coordination.
Hey yo, ou semble ave deodora kay Cenat. Dem koule wat ne.
And we do got a smoke out tonight, right?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Wish, best smoke dog.
Shy bagay. Just salwe fam.
Best Snoop Dogg, monsieur. Snoop Dogg gale machin disa men. God damn it. Of sachet boss.
El gon log nan bouch li.
Oui, li gen yon. Hey yo, esko konen Snoop gen on pop employé kap roule e boss roule? Li gon moun pou sa men.
Li gon moun pou sa.
Oui, qu'il paye $30,000 par année. 30 bien 35,000. Bon, li ka plus kounya parce que ou supposé payer moun plus comme but longtemps. Snoop toujours gon nèg kap marche avec, il travaille seul ça men, roule boss.
C'est même dans film, dans journée quand il fait.
On doit gon nèg gaye men, ça bon là men. Ouais, ati ba nèg vinn là men pour lancer men.
Mais ça avec Wiz Khalifa, ça crée plus.
Hey, Snoop man. Snoop. Yeah, but Wiz Khalifa kounya vinn dans game là men. Snoop been in the game man. You know what I'm saying? Monsieur filme plus que
Come on.
Ooh, let me smell that. Bum sentil Snoop. Bum sentil.
He's spawned.
There to a.
C'est fou tête li. Reggie, yeah, monsieur filme. Monsieur filme red tout man. Ouf, monsieur fou tête li. Yo, hey. Yo.
Come on, man, quit playing.
Come on, man, quit playing. Yo, hey, man, this is my driver, man. Why can't drive Snoop?
Welcome to heaven.
Yo, welcome to heaven, where the grass stay green. Hey yo, m'a dit nous bienvenue dans le ciel. Côté zèbre là, était vert tout le temps. But c'est bécage c'est ça. Fait le cas de ça. Mais il dit bienvenue dans le ciel. Côté nous va le voler.
Welcome to hell. Look how peace mode. Fuck.
There you go. My guy said that. Got stuff. Yo, Snoop, ça doit le là, man.
Oh my gosh.
That's the one, not the two.
That's the one.
God damn.
Not the two. You smell like it get high.
Snoop, yes, yes,
I'm still, you know, I'm still high from
I'm
November.
still high, yo.
Hey yo, you know Snoop, you know I'm still high from November too, right? Just the one that passé, man. Juste au changer l'autre là maintenant. Beaucoup de high, donc toujours high. Dernier forte là, toujours high. De ta fille, toujours high, base. Quand tu retournes à valise, man.
Still high from last time we smoked. That's the last time I ever smoked.
I remember. I seen you on
I be honest.
J'ai dit que ça, that's the last time I ever smoked. Ça, dernier fois me fumer, man. Damn it.
Dude, I ain't gonna lie. How did we do last time? Be honest.
Actually, y'all did.
Hey yo, I ain't gonna lie, Snoop. How did we do last time? Hey, yo, Snoop, dis-nous qui ça? Comment nous t'es fait dernière fois, man? Sous ta bonne en grade, man. Nous t'as le film avant, là. Sous ta bonne, man. De 1 à 10, man.
Y'all did amazing.
I don't think so
Let me
though.
tell you.
Oh, y'all did amazing. Nous t'es bien fait, man. Nous t'es tout nèg là, t'es passé, man. Nous t'as passé, non, man. Yeah. Quand t'es filmé, red deux,
Quand il est filmé, quand il va te filmer.
on est capable de filmer.
La machine.
Ah, c'est
Oubliez
là.
si de faire ça.
Hein?
Oubliez si de faire.
Nous t'es fait le cas de machine, man.
Yeah, but il va te regarder vraiment.
Ou pas, oh.
C'est ce que nous tapons.
Et ça, le hotbox, ça, man. Bon, même s'il pas de gain, man, li high.
Yeah.
Oh, bon, bah,
That's
man.
how-
Sok ba la, man.
Why y'all did good? Because y'all was able to freestyle. Y'all was able to stick it out for a whole round. Now
Hey, yo, you know, y'all did good because y'all was able to freestyle. Y'all was able to stick it out for a long time. Nous t'es bien fait, monsieur, parce que nous t'es là pour un bon petit temps. Et nous t'es freestyle. Freestyle là, on freestyle Mozart, c'est ça lié? Ouais. Facile. Ah, il freestyle ça, il freestyle, Dieu. Il freestyle Mozart. Ou pas qu'il y ait l'homme, mais nous pas. Nous t'es freestyle, monsieur.
to get to the second round with me takes a lot. I didn't expect y'all to get that far, and y'all did.
So to get to the second round with me takes a lot, man. I didn't expect y'all to get this far. Et pour qu'à fond deuxième mi-temps avec faut son bon dans la game là. On prend et moi pas respecter nous-mêmes nous t'es qu'à faire ça mais nous t'es campé red. Dan. Tout mec t'es que boss you
And then one person jumped out. He had to climb out.
Who
the
was it?
back.
That was me.
Oh, that was you?
And then one person jumped out. He had to climb out the back. Yo, who was it, man? Et puis t'es un monde qui t'est pas évacué, qui t'est allé. Et t'es monsieur, who was it? Monsieur allé, ou t'es changé monsieur allé? Après il t'est retourné. Menti, monsieur t'as le piscine, on va comme ça, on sait. Mais pour le t'est retourné, c'est dans des coffres là où t'es quitté le passé. Yeah.
Honest man over the back. That nigga was trying to get out like
You
that.
gonna go first again?
Yeah, exactly. Nigga was trying to get out of there.
Nah, but we gotta fix the rules and shit. Like you said,
Yeah.
you said no AC.
We gotta fix the rules, bro.
He said
But Snoop, man, you gotta fix the rules, man. Snoop, for changer loi games, I mean, you know. It's all really changer pour la mentally.
one blunt is set, and then we face him. Water before we.
You can do whatever you want. Why?
Oh, he brought the
Oh, last time you
munchies.
more strict. You said last time.
Oh, nèg, va le film encore. He bought the munchies. Snoop vin avec petit potato chips li pour les au final high, man. Pure munchies.
He said no water in the.
He brought the munchies, Chad.
Oh, produit encore, oui. Barbecue, oui. Barbecue Snoop Dogg. Bon, ben, ça le dit. Hey, Snoop pote produit.
Made it through the second round with the water.
C'est goût.
Water not gonna do shit.
Water.
Ain't gonna do nothing but make you mad.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro.
Man, I've been watching.
Oh, how you been? How you been though? How you
Good,
been, man?
I'm good. I'm watching
How you been, Snoop? Comment y est, man? Nobody, ça te passe, comment y est, man? You know what I'm saying?
y'all do y'all thing, like, you know. Like,
I've been watching y'all, man. Just watching y'all do y'all thing, man. Mwen la, monsieur. M'a regardé nous, m'a vu nous. Mwen a fait ça de bon dans bagay là, man. Everybody getting money, don't think you? Y'all fait l'argent, man. Et ça, moi, man.
I see all my homeboys and homegirls coming through here, you know, getting their conversation on what you showing you love and putting the friend.
Man, then I see all my homegirls, homeboy coming through here, man, showing y'all love, making conversation. Et puis moi, base, moi, toujours pull up dans le studio tout. On prend, quitte ces femmes, quitte ces garçons, et puis yo camp, yo chita avec nous, on fait conversation. On fait un bagay, man. Suivez nous, monsieur, me garder nous
Pendant
tout.
que je stream ça, stream qui était fait tout dernièrement, c'était vraiment différent. Parce que il y a une machine à tout cas là. Il y a tout dans la piscine, tout dehors.
Yeah.
Caméra sur, ça allait un petit genre relax.
Non, il a fait, les gars, commencement, sinon pull up, c'est comme si je regarde une sorte d'introduction. Pourquoi il a fait ça, même? Pourquoi il a vu? Parce que c'est un petit bout de clip, you know?
Come on now.
You know what I'm saying? You connecting all generations. You're not just looking out for one side, you're looking out for all sides.
Right.
Hey, yo, man, you connecting all generation. You're not just looking out for one side. You're looking out for all sides. Et n'a pas vous, man. Nous voyons que c'est génération qui va connecter, man. On prend nous pas chita non bon seulement ou connecter à l'autre bois tout comme si. Bref, des moi même chita là avec nous pas même génération, mais nous c'est là nous à la journée. You know what I'm saying? But nous là, man. Ces générations connectées, man.
That inspired you, and then the generation that you run with right now. So that's a beautiful platform that y'all got right here, man. I'm always honored to be here.
It's a beautiful platform y'all got right now, man, and I'm always honored to be here. Et nous avons une belle plateforme là, man. Et sont honorés pour moi, pour me toujours parmi nous, monsieur, you know.
Drop some game, you know what I'm saying? Sit in with my nephew.
Drop some games, toujours bon nous game. Et About concert là, you know, sit down with my nephews, you know, font chita avec tes neveux, you know.
And learn some game too, you know what I'm saying? Y'all
And learn some game too, you know what I'm saying? Et puis, pas de me dire, chita ma bonne au game, non, ma pas prendre tout, monsieur, pas penser me venir là, et bye, me venir bye, non. You know what I'm saying? N'a bam tout, nous bam plus que me nous. Parce que d'assez haché, you know what I'm saying? Ça y a fait pas nous lier, man.
teach as well as give y'all game. Y'all can give me game as well.
Right.
Yeah, game, y'all can give me game too, man. You know what I'm saying? My bun nous jouer là, et puis my bun jouer too, man. No, man. Boule lampion, pass, you know? Every goal.
Right. And we got I ain't gonna lie, we have a crazy lineup. You, Wiz Khalifa.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. We got a crazy lineup, man. We got you, Wiz Khalifa. Et nous pas bon nous mentir, non. Nous avons pile bel joueur qui peut pull up dans le stream, ça. Nous gagnons même. Nous gagnons Wiz Khalifa pour le pull up. Hey.
DJ, you know who DJ Ghost is?
Yeah.
DJ Ghost.
DJ Ghost. I don't know who that nigga is. Par contre, qui est DJ Ghost, ça, man.
These is real smokers you just named.
This is real.
Snoop said, man, this is some real smoker you just named right there. Non sa yo ko so di la kay. Parang si no, man. Nek sa yo filme pou tout bon, papa. Nek sa yo get down, man.
Smokers.
Heavyweights. You didn't name a middleweight. You went straight.
Yo, you name heavyweight, man. You didn't name middleweight. Wale droite sou go nek yo memri, man. Nek sa yo filme Anpil ou bas. Ou pa ban nou ti jwe la même non, man.
Heavyweight.
Why you gotta smoke every time on a rival?
You pull up. That's
on
what
a rival was that blood. That's like
you the only one that smoke.
That shit
Like you the
make me
only one
nervous,
that
like-
smoke in the house that kind of got anyway.
He's mic'd up, Jack.
Smoke in the house.
I was at the gate, and then I was gonna roll the gate down, but I roll my window down, but I was smoking. When I rolled it down, just smoke just hit my face. He was like, "Oh, it's Snoop Dogg." yeah, talented.
Oh my.
Hey, yo, I was at the gate. I was smoking a joint. You know what I'm saying? When I got security guard, when I got the security guard, I rolled down my window and then the smoke was coming out of my window. And the security was like, yo, Snoop Dogg. Hey, yo, Kai, pendant que je viens là, man, je pull up dans le gate là, dans la barrière. Et puis, je descends vite, moi, pendant que je descends vite là. Et puis, il y a la fille qui a fait comme ça, chut, pour aller. Et puis, il faut appeler tourner. Il faut appeler tourner secrétaire. Secrétaire a dit, oh shit, Snoop Dogg, ouvrez votre là. Snoop Dogg rivé. Snoop Dogg rivé.
Gosh, bro. Oh my God.
Nah, this is about to be legendary. I won't
They
wait.
can't tell me. They can't tell.
This is about to be legendary, man. Yo, stream ça après long bagay légende, monsieur.
Shit.
From November to now, I will way faster. Man, I'm still hot from November to now. I ain't gonna lie.
So, alright, so hold on. My biggest thing, right? My biggest thing was I could not. The following day, I wasn't able to thing. They just unlocked the badge for the day. Cause they can't even smoke in, but when Snoop come in here,
Yeah, Snoop.
it's automatic. Wait, Loki, now you should wait though, bro.
No, let him go. Cause see, he gonna be.
Oh my God! She's looking good, bro!
Mais c'est pas ça, moment, man. Oh my God! De total. Total. Au coup, tu t'es fait une vidéo, belle vidéo, t'as bien mené au Brésil, man. Yeah, man. Go vidéo, man.
Becca, you real? You gonna smoke? No.
Hey, girl, this no. Total, you got smoke. Total, no. Total, on va le filmer. Snoop là, faut tout le filmer. Total dit non. Total, on voit et puis Total.
Yeah, you know smoke.
He the best in Brazil. You the best in Brazil, bro.
You the best in Brazil, bro. Snoop say où il est au Brésil. Brésil c'est où. You the best, bro.
So much no me.
So that we know.
Ete Brazil li t'achete li wa.
C'est pas vidéo ça.
Ah, ok.
So what we the wild. So what we go out?
We're just having fun.
We just having fun. I don't care who see.
We don't care who sees. So what we go out.
So what we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Living young and wild and free. Oh, thank you, Ashley. So what we go out. We're just having fun. We don't care who see. So what we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Living young and wild and free. Hey, Mr. Snoop. Hey, Snoop. Hey.
And the clean don't even watch it the other day. Watch how you lean on it. On and work on the clean close fingers and smoke them hoes down to the extinguish. You a glass car. It's like a 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking for the case, but trying to find the hella taste. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Snoop up spit par là.
The case, Chevy, the people got a heavy. Relevant, elevate, moving away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe.
Shipping away, zipping the say.
Tipping like I'm dripping in paint.
Et c'est ça, tout le monde connaît la musique. Depuis bâti ça va. So what we go out. Having fun. We don't care who see. So what we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
É porque eu não fumo mais aí, meus amigos do Brasil. Eu doido pra fumar um baseado contigo, cara.
Bom, hoje o boys ele manda um buquê de coca. Hey man, relax não, bater. O bate que deu a prova ontem, boys, velho. Tá ali de chopar do for falar inglês ontem lá, velho. Fez responder de total. E que tava em Brasília. Mas já sabe de onde você sabe?
What do you say? What?
Ué, tá ali, what do you say? Eu chamo chargé daqui do Ankò, ué, tu tá. Ai, sabe, tá ali de what you say, man? Que só diz lá, man?
Hey, Snoop Dogg is the shit.
Man, he said Snoop Dogg the shit in the crib. He just say, man, Snoop Dogg the it. And cara.
Sit down.
Daqui quando ele total ali, eu vou de chance. Eu disse chita, vou alcançar lá. Yo, let me see, vamos mover cano, ok, cai. Shout out to favelas, the favelas I get to Brazil. Bom. Shout out to the favelas.
You going Brazil, bro?
Let me tell you about his country, right?
Bro,
So,
Allez, monsieur, let me tell you about his country. Mais c'est bon m'expliquer nous qui vient ba yo Brazil, man. You know.
years ago, this country was known for like, when you go there, you could get kidnapped, anything negative could happen.
Years ago, his country was more like, you know, if you go there, you could get kidnapped. Et dans longtemps, les m'te qu'on a au Brésil, il était vraiment danger, il était qu'on kidnappe ou bah comme ça, you know.
So we chose to do a video there, me and Pharrell, called Beautiful.
Yes.
We chose to go there, me and Pharrell. So, moi et ma Pharrell, nous décidé pour aller au Brésil pour nous faire une vidéo. Et des vidéos, ça me donne pas là, tu vois, you know what I'm saying?
We went there, they said, stay in the hotel, don't go out. I went straight to the favelas.
Yo, we went there, we stay in the hotel, and then we went out. We went straight to the favelas. Then allez nous arriver dans l'hôtel, pendant ce temps t'as dit Brésil danger, yo ka kidnapper. Depuis nous fin mettre ba nous dans l'hôtel là, na straight dans favelas yo qui c'est dans ghetto. Yeah.
I went to favelas too. First I went to Brazil.
Met all of the homies out there, got in good, kept coming back, And now Brazil tourism is way up. It's a beautiful.
You know what I'm saying? I went out there, me and my homies. We kept coming back. And now Brazil tourist is way up. You know, Brazil is back. So kounya même, les nous final dans favelas dans ghetto a, et toujours été à au Brésil tout, m'aller me retourner. Et après ça ouais, économie Brésil a commencé à monter en pile touriste, commencé par le Brésil, you know what I'm saying?
Mais Snoop Dogg qui fait Brésil lit.
Yo nek ça dans le Brésil, nek yo pile nek TI, nek ça aussi dans pile vidéo au Brésil. Mais l'autant dans temps ça Brésil pas de fin OK. Ou pas même capable même. On prend un pile violent bah, nek cap prendre coca, drug war.
Yeah.
Country, the people respect it, and the musicians over there making great music. So Brazil, obrigado.
W Brazil.
W Brazil, man. Shout out to Brazil. W Brazil. Shout out to Michael, man. What's up? How you doing?